Well, my understanding about my becoming the lead prosecutor is because I am the chairperson of the Justice Committee, which heard the impeachment complaints, which were later on turned into the articles of impeachment. That was upon the hearing and all the proceeding before the Justice Committee. About my obligation as lead prosecutor, I need to support and help my colleagues, all the 10, 11 prosecutors, to be able to establish all these 4 articles of impeachment. I anticipate also that I will be delivering the opening statement as well as the closing statement. That is in my capacity as the lead prosecutor of the House of Representatives.
Alright, last on my part na lang po. Kasi po dun po sa articles of impeachment, kapansin-pansin na yung dalawang articles of impeachment, yung unexplained wealth at saka po yung misuse of confidential funds, meron pong 8 at 9 natututok na mga prosecutors. Ano pong wisdom behind that? Dahil ba yun sa bulk ng evidences or ng mga allegations dun po na nakapaloob dun sa articles of impeachment?